Tessa?
No,
Daddy? Where's Daddy? Did Daddy get out of his chair? Let's see. Daddy, you sit in your chair. Daddy? Oh, Daddy bad? Oh, no!
No, Daddy!
What happened? Where'd Dad go?
I get Daddy.
I get Daddy. Again? What happened? Why did Daddy get out of the chair? Daddy? Tell Daddy not to get out of the chair. Tessa, go. Go back. Say, Daddy, don't get out of the chair. Tessa?
No, Daddy, he's here.
Daddy's sitting in a chair.
Yeah.
Say, don't get up, please.
Bye. Okay.
Where are you going then? Tessa! What happened?
I get Daddy.
Tessa? Tessa doesn't want her dad out of the chair. Oh no, Tessa, happened. Go find him. Where did your family go? Oh, you're in trouble, Daddy. You got out of the chair again. Oh, Tessa, bring Daddy back to the chair. Yeah, that's what she said. Don't get out of the chair.